कोलकाता एयरपोर्ट रे सलमान खान सोनाक्षी सिन्हा सगुंदराम के किनाए मंत्री बीरबाहा हांसदा पश्चिम बंगाल रिया राजधानी कोलकाता रिया नेताजी इंडोर स्टेडियम रे बाले महाइलो हुई ना बागेया रे कोलकाता इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल नुआ फिल्म फेस्टिवल रे सेटरले नाको बॉलीवुड रेन जुलू इपिल सलमान खान सोनाक्षी सिन्हा शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा अनिल कपूर और हो ईमान एक्टर एक्ट्रेस कोलकाता इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल मलीपति जेरेकते उडसुम किदाय भाईजान सलमान खान नो फिल्म फेस्टिवल रे सलमान खान चीज़ लई का आए अंजम काले के बोल
तू ही चिल्लाते रहना आप लोग और मुझे बोलने का मौका नहीं देना, क्योंकि बोलने के लिए बचा क्या है। शत्रु साहब, महेश भट्ट साहब, अनिल कपूर साहब, ये मेरे सीनियर्स हैं। आई लव देम, बट दे हैव डिस्ट्रॉयड मी टुडे। दे हैव नॉट लेट एनीथिंग फॉर मी टू से। पहले बात करो तो दे कम एंड डिस्ट्रॉय यू, बाद में आओ बात करने के लिए तो कुछ बचा ही नहीं बात करने के लिए। एंड आई स्वेयर ऑन गॉड कि जो जो आज मैं बोलने वाला था वो शत्रु साहब, महेश भट्ट साहब, अनिल कपूर और यहां तक के सोनाक्षी देवी ने भी कह दिया। नाउ वुड यू लाइक मी टू रिपीट दिस सेम थिंग अगेन? नो ना? सो थैंक यू वेरी मच। अरे ओके मनाचो। बस पिछली बार मैं यहां पर आया था एक कॉन्सर्ट के लिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच। ऐसा लगा कि पूरा कोलकाता उस कॉन्सर्ट में आया। इस जगह की मुझे आबादी पता चल गई है कि कितने लोग यहां पर रहते हैं, और ये जानकर के मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई। और यहां पर आया तो ममता जी ने, दीदी ने कहा कि यू हैव टू कम फॉर द कोलकाता इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल। तो फिर सोनाक्षी को पता ही है कि एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी उसके बाद तो मैं अपनी भी नहीं सुनता। सो हियर आई एम। और एक चीज मेरे सीनियर्स ने मिस आउट कर दी, which I think you might find very interesting, कि this is one of the largest, ने ये भी बोल चुके हैं, फिगर्स नहीं दिए उन्होंने। 219 films entered here, and in दीदी कितने लोकेशंस पर? 23 locations पर these films are being viewed. So I think this is one of the largest film festivals that I have been to. I didn't know, I was unaware. कभी कभी किसी मामले में एक आदमी पीछे रह जाता है, and I'm sorry for that. अब now that I know this, and I think I should share this with you guys, कि this is one of the biggest film festivals that I've come. अच्छा, amazing thing is that it's called KIF. I thought it's called KISS. And I thought, what a cool name. क्या थोड़ा सा वो एक डिस्टेंस आ गया है ना पढ़ने का, तो it read like kiss. No, it's not kiss. Kiss is very good, प्यार, मोहब्बत, but it's called KIF. I'm really glad to be here. I absolutely enjoy this place. God bless you, Didi. So when I was invited by Didi to her house, my only thing was मुझे जाके देखना है वाकई में इनका घर इतना छोटा है कि नहीं, मेरे घर से छोटा है कि नहीं। एक दिन अनिल कपूर साहब ने मुझे अपने घर बुलाया, इस समय थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम में हूं, तो आज चला गया मैं उनके घर पे। तो पहले ग्राउंड फ्लोर, ऐसे चलो ये घर होगा, जैसे ऊपर चलते फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे, तो ऐसे चलो फर्स्ट फ्लोर भी, सेकंड फ्लोर, थर्ड फ्लोर, फोर्थ फ्लोर, 5 माले का घर अब शायद बड़ा और हो गया है। तो ऐसे भाई कपूर साहब, आपने मुझे यहां पर जलाने के लिए बुलाया है? He said, "No, I need help." He said, "I've got a film called No Entry." So I did the film, and he helped me with that character. Today I'm here. People have loved the film. People have loved that character of mine, loved him, loved everyone. So thank you, Kapoor Saab. But now we go back to Didi's story. Didi, I am actually jealous that her house is waqai smaller than mine. Shatru Saab has come to my house and he has a big problem क्योंकि बैठने की जगह नहीं है. Kapoor Saab has come. One room, one kitchen, छोटा सा kitchen, pantry type का, and bedroom, which is very important. आदमी खड़े खड़े नहीं सो सकता. My mother tried all these things कि वास्तु के हिसाब से बिस्तर की फेसिंग इधर, ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे. So one day my father told him कि सिर्फ एक ही पोजीशन आप भूल गई हो आपके बेटे के बिस्तर के लिए, सिर्फ बिस्तर को खड़ा रखो, क्या आ जाएगा, सो जाएगा और फिर वापस से काम पे निकल जाएगा. So I am really happy. I mean, I don't know if it's really happy or not, but her house is actually smaller than mine. And I'm jealous of that fact. Okay? How can somebody in this position, house, be smaller than mine? Now, I don't wish for a smaller house. But she's given me big complex. That only shows that how simple people are, and we don't need that much. So now, bas na? मोर, अब क्या मोर बोलूं यार, ये देखो मोर, ये from the hotel to here made this note. Bhatt Saab said this, Shatru Saab said this, Kapoor Saab said this, और कुछ नहीं है. I'm done. Nothing apart from আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি. But you people have contributed so much to our Hindi film industry. We have lots of languages, and every movie, every language mein films are doing well. Gujarati films are doing well, Hindi films are doing well, Marathi films are doing well, Punjabi films are doing well, Bengali films are doing well, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, all films are doing well. This is amazing. Now, Bengali connection in the film industry is fantastic. Today, the Hindi film industry is there because of the participation of all you people. When the film industry has started, our Hindi film industry was booming. But Saab, the time that you were directing, who were the best of the directors at that point of time?
My memory of when I joined the movies, one of the greatest filmmakers after Reza was Mrinal Sen was one of the finest filmmakers. Buddhadev Das Gupta Sahab. Then of course, one of the most amazing directors was Asit Sen Sahab, who made Hindi films. He made Safar. He made Khamoshi. He was the most amazing director. We used to look up to them and learn from them. Rishida. Vimalda. I mean, you just owe so much to Bengal. The stream came from Bengal, and one came from what was then undivided India, Lahore. So that's where the Mumbai had the best of both the streams.
And Kapoor Saab, the actors.
You're talking as if I'm 100 years old, no?
नहीं मतलब you're just like
we started together, no? Both of us?
नहीं, all of us, yeah.
So
Ashok Kumar, Kishore Kumar, Anup Kumar Saab.
of course, I was lucky to work with Ashok Kumar. I was lucky that Kishore Saab, sang songs for me. Zindagi ki yahi reet hai, हार के बाद ही जीत है. Written by the script was written by your father, Salim Javed Sahab. Yeah.
By my father?
Mr. India. Mr. India. Screenplay.
Mr. India.
Idea, yes.
Javed Sahab and Dad.
Kishore Da was there. And so, of course, see all the actors I've admired, both of us have admired during our times, yes. And still admire.
No, and this current lot, Sonakshi, your colleagues, your leading Hindi film industry heroines.
I mean, Rani Mukherjee, Kajol, Tanuja ji, yes, of course. Sharmila Tagore ji. Sorry?
Jaya Bachchan.
Jaya Bachchan ji, yes, of course.
Yeah, Bipasha Basu.
Yeah.
So many of them. So thank you. Thank you. See, this Indian Hindi film industry is very generous, okay? Now I think your Bengal film industry also has to be equally generous to us. We have given you lots of work there. Now it's time for us to come and start working here. Thank you. God bless you all.
गोवा फिल्म फेस्टिवल रे अनिल कपूर सत्रकते चित लई का आयोजन काल के बोल.
As usual, I'm always excited and emotional and sentimental. That's me, and bear with me after Shathruji's speech and everybody, Saurabhji and Mahesh. It's a difficult act to follow, but I have to speak today because I'm very, very, it's all about gratitude for Kolkata and for our Honorable Chief Minister for inviting me over here. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and beautiful people of Kolkata. Well, I would say namaskar, adab, sat sri akal. Absolutely. I want to wish all of you all over here. It fills my heart with immense joy and gratitude to stand before you today at the glorious International Film Festival. Kolkata for me is not just a city. It's a sensory experience, a journey, and a treasure trove of memories that have shaped my career and my love for cinema. Apnara shrojo hobe netaji jay. Amar film life shuru hoye Kolkata te. In 1979, 43 years ago, Mumbai VT station থেকে হাওড়া স্টেশন তারপর বাসে চেপে বালিগঞ্জ এক গেস্ট হাউসে আসি আমার প্রথম কাজ ফর দ্য লিড রোল অফ কাহা সে গুজর গয়া ডাইরেক্টেড বাই MS সত্যু কলকাতা के फिल्मिंग शुरू हुए अरे के कांसी ना वेस्ट बंगाल गवर्नमेंट ही फिल्म फंड करे अमर जाने नहीं ई कोलकाता कनेक्शन गवर्नमेंट फंड चारा हमारा फिल्म करियर शुरू होता कि ना सो फॉर नेक्स्ट 45 days हमार बड़ी चिलो बालीगंज गेस्ट हाउस और कोलकाता कर पाटगा चिलो अमर खेलार मात सियो समय थे कई कोलकाता अमर मोने आक्ता घोर कोरे फेले. As I stand here today, I can't but acknowledge the profound influence the city has had on the world of cinema. Luminaries like Mrinal Sen, Tarun Majumdar, Bimal Roy, Rituparna Ghosh, Ashok Kumar, Kishore Kumar, Rishikesh Mukherjee, Aparna Sen, Sharmila Tagore, Rakhi Gulzar, Jaya Bhadri Bachchan, Mosmi Chatterjee, Mithun Chakrabarti, Salil Chaudhary, Hemant Kumar, Bappi Lahiri. and the enigmatic Suchitra Sen have left an incredible mark on the industry. I want to tender my salute towards the heritage of the state, and the process of contribution is still on. In this connection, on this August occasion, I want to pay my homage to the all-time great hero and actor, Uttam Kumar. He was a great personality and himself was an institution. I have a film, namely Nayak. All of you made Nayak a super hit. Till today, viewers from all over the world still remind me about the film. In that film, I was the Nayak. Later, I've heard that in Bengali there was a film named Nayak, directed by Satyajit Ray. One and only Uttam Kumar played the role of that Nayak. After that, when I came to know in detail, I discovered the journey of life through a tame journey of Uttam Kumar, which identified him as Mahanayak. That film is one of the greatest gifts from Bengal to not only Indian cinema, but also on global stage. Even though it released in 1966, the spirit, characters, and message is equally relevant today. So today, from this stage, a Nayak is offering his deepest regards and respect to the legendary icon of Bengal cinema's evergreen Mahanayak, and of course, the greatest legend of all time, the greatest filmmaker of all time, whose cinematic genius continues to awe and inspire not just me, but generations of filmmakers worldwide. Speaking of inspiration, my son Harsh and I often find ourselves delving into the timeless works of Satyajit Ray for a masterclass in storytelling. It's our way of connecting with the roots of cinematic brilliance. And I can confidently say that the roots are deeply embedded in the cultural soil of Calcutta. Kolkata and its people have been with me since the very beginning of my career. The love, warmth, and unwavering support that I've received from the city is unparalleled. It is an honor beyond words to be back in the city that has given me so much. It's an honor to be standing on the dais with all the esteemed dignitaries and the jury members whom I admire and respect. Shatrughan Sinha, the one and only. There are no small roles. There are no big roles. There are only small actor, and he's the biggest. Generous, warm, giving. Comes on stage, he praises everybody. He's not scared. That's what Shatrughan Sinha is. I admire him, I respect him. Otherwise, everybody wants to be politically right. He speaks from his heart. I love you, Shatrughan, I love you. Mahesh Bhatt, whom I did 2 films, Tikana and Avargi. Saurabh Ganguly ji, I'm a huge fan of yours, sir. And of course, Aparna Sen ji was supposed to come. She's not here. I miss her. I was supposed to do a film with her. I auditioned for that film, but she says, you're too young. I want to tell Aparna ji, I'm pretty old, so she should cast me in a film now. I'm still young. Thank you. And of course, my friend, नकली टाइगर आएंगे और जाएंगे. टाइगर आएंगे और जाएंगे, नकली हैं, और असली टाइगर एक ही है. और टाइगर जिंदा है और टाइगर जिंदा रहेगा. Our Mahanayak from Hindi cinema, Salman Khan. Didi, it's an honor to be invited by you. You are Didi for everyone, for all of us, for the entire country. Thank you so much, Honorable Chief Minister of Bengal, for making this, for me to come here on this dais and letting me speak about Calcutta, where I started my career 43 years back. To be recognized at this hello stage by the esteemed members of both the government and the film industry is not just humbling, but also deeply gratifying. I mark today as yet another indelible memory in my long-standing relationship with this beautiful city. I also take this moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to the Kolkata International Film Festival for providing a platform that celebrates the magic of cinema. May this festival continue to shine as a beacon of creativity, bringing together storytellers and dreamers from every corner of the world. Dhanyabad, Kolkata. May our love affair with art and storytelling endure forever. मानता हूं आप लोगों की पसंद को, कलकत्ता वालों, एकदम जीनियस है, जीनियस, एकदम झकास. Thank you very much.
बाले महाइलो जहां फिल्म फेस्टिवल उडो सगुन कमिहोरा हुई कना जहां रे 15,000 खन जस्ती हर सेटर कते नुआ उडो सगुन कमिहोरा रे रस्को को हमेट कदा कोलकाता इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल रे पेगे आरे दिसम रिया बारसाय मिगे याय गोटांग फिल्म को उदुगा नुआ रे मिसाय तुगे आरे गोटांग फिल्म साउते सिडपु हमेट का फिल्म शॉर्ट फिल्म डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म को उदुगा नुआ साउते नुआ फिल्म फेस्टिवल रे स्पेन दिसम रिया हो 15 गोटांग फिल्म को उदुगा दिसम दुनिया रिया खबर संताली ते ñel लगित ते सब्सक्राइब तो उन पे सरना खबर सब्सक्राइब लिखान कौडी दो बांग लगा दिसम दुनिया रिया खबर आपे को तलारे सरना खबर